Ever wondered what's inside a pétanque ball? Surprise, it's hollow. Today, we're heading to Saint-Bonnet-le-Château to uncover how France's iconic pétanque balls are made by the brand Obut. Obut has been producing pétanque balls locally since 1930. With nearly 30 million euros in revenue in 2024, it's a major player in the game. It all starts with high-quality steel. Carbon steel comes from Switzerland, stainless steel from Savoy in France. The steel is cut, heated to 1,000 degrees Celsius, and pressed with 500 tons of force. Each ball begins as two steel hemispheres, shaped and welded together. With 1.8 million balls produced last year, Obut runs a 12,000 square meters factory with over 80 employees. They supply the entire European market. A basic triplet costs about 50 euros, while competition sets can go up to 250 euros. After an anti-corrosion treatment, each box includes 3 balls, a small wooden jack from Jura, and a protective pouch. Once processed, balls are grouped, numbered, and engraved with precision. All engraving is based on exactly what the customer enters online, no typos. Carrying 2 kilograms balls all day is tough, so Obut automated parts of the process. Now workers only handle the final packaging. Less strain, more efficiency. Thanks for joining us on this journey inside Obut. If you're into heavy machines and finely crafted steel like we are, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. And until then, may every throw hit just right.